Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I will show how to fix problem in this movement. And this is Miyota 1M12 1M12. The problem this movement has is with stem mechanism. I cannot adjust date. And stem is not holding inside, and only what I can do is to move hands. So I will disassemble this movement partially and take a look what's going on. So I need to unscrew these 3 screws to remove upper plate. And this is the second one. And third. This is the yoke spring, and this is the yoke. Okay, I can see the problem. There is a broken tooth, or even 2 teeth are broken on this wheel. Okay, I will try to find the spare part for that wheel replacement, and I will be back. Okay, I am back, and I found the replacement wheel over here. So I will put it in that place. And now I will assemble the stem mechanism. Okay. Should be like this, and then I will put back this yoke spring. Okay, looks good. Putting back the electronic module and then upper plate. and I will put back the 3 screws. So this is the second, and I will tighten it a little bit, not completely, because I need to check if all wheels are freely rotating. And this is the third one. Now I will check if wheels are rotating. Looks like all wheels are in place, and I can tighten the 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Now I will try to insert the stem. And I will try to change date, and date is changing, and hands also changing. So this is all fixed. This is all what we need to do to fix that problem. Next I will clean the dial and put it back to the case. And this is nice Michael Kors watch. Let me try to put battery just to see that everything works. Yes, it works. Okay, so this is all for this time, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.